Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jakeem Kwopman. I'm also known as the Rebel JSK, lightweight champion of the AWA. And today I will be presenting my biomechanical assessment of a professional wrestling skill move known as the Tilt Wall Hurricane Harana. This presentation will explore its movement phase, biomechanical analysis, observed performance, and recommendation for technical improvements. The tilt-a-whirl hurricane rana is an acrobatic maneuver where the attacker uses momentum and body control to flip the opponent forward. It's a very crowd-pleasing move but biomechanically complex. My assessment focus on how to improve rotation impulse, hip height, and release timing while maintaining safety. To structure this assessment, I created 5 SMART objectives, including measurable targets for execution rate, hip height, timing, precision, alignment, and most importantly, safety. Movement phases. The movement is divided into 3 main phases. Preparation phase, which builds the initial momentum and positioning. Then we have the execution phase, which generate rotation and applying the clamp and initiating the whip. And then we have the following through phase, safe release and opponent landing. Each of these phases plays a critical role in achieving speed, control, and precision. Biomechanical principles. Biomechanically, this move uses Newton's second law, applying force during the whip phase, increasing acceleration, core stability, maintaining control mid-air, while sequently muscles activations ensures a smooth rotational chain. The stretch shortening circle also contributes to the whip power. Observation results. Here are key observations. Preparation was solid but slightly inconsistent. Execution showed strong rotation, though clamp tightness varied. Follow through timing was actually late, but safety remained consistent across all trials. Strengths and weaknesses. This bar chart summarizes the strengths and weaknesses observed during the analysis. Execution showed the highest technical strength, while preparation and follow through afforded the most room for refinement. And this radar chart visualizes the technical efficiency across performance areas. As you can see, clamp security and core stability were consistent strengths, whereas release, timing, and whip speed showed greater variability. Overall strengths include solid core engagement and consistent safety control. Weaknesses were mainly technical, foot placement, hip height, and precise release timing. Recommendations. Based on my findings, I recommended technical drills to refine footwork and clamp stability, plyometric conditioning for hip power, and timed whip release drills to improve consistency. Using videos, feedback can further ensure awareness and technical precision. In conclusion, biomechanical analysis of the Total Hurricane Harana highlights the importance of technical refinement, strength conditioning, and video-based learning. By integrating science and practice, we can improve both performance, quality, and safety.